GutterAll has it all. Come get some materials before they close. We're actually open all the time, but GutterAll supply. But wanted to show you this van actually. Ooh, look at that sky. That's gonna be a good thumbnail. Anyway, so this Sprinter has, what is this? A 2500. It's got some windows in the back, but yeah, we got the fascia machine in here. We got the Ego power pack. We just loaded some coils. Machine here is temporary. We're gonna pull it out, put it inside the trailer maybe. But here it is. And it's really tall, so it's nice. And I think the height-wise should be good too. Right, Dave? The height-wise is pretty good to run some gutters.
Yeah, should be perfect.
We have this ramp that's for loading, offloading coils. But either way, we left the door open so you can easily feed your coil if need be. And that's how it looks. And the door's closed. Go ahead and close it. So let me see if I can stand in here. It's like 6'4". So yeah, it's pretty tall in here. That's nice. And the Sprinter, it's tall on the inside as well. So there's a short little video for you. You can run gutters from a Sprinter van.